You probably woke up to a view like this from your bedroom window this morning. Just dark, hazy, a lot of rain, all because of Tropical Storm Emily.
Yeah, roads were closed, bridges were shut down, and a tornado warning kicked off the day, all from a storm that honestly really caught most of us by surprise.
Well, we have a team of reporters that are staying on top of this storm. The rain came down hard in Hillsborough County, especially along Apollo Beach. By noon, it was hard to drive through some of the neighborhoods out there. The damage gets more serious the further south that you go. Our partners in Naples found this. A tree smashes through a lanai and into a pool. And parts of that tree crashed on Tampa Road. This is Ridgewood and Amelia Avenue. Luckily, no one was hurt.
And thankfully, this storm is on its way out.
Just about.
But let's be honest here. I think all of us woke up going, what happened here? Because this thing formed so quickly. This storm formed so quickly.
Yeah.
Really did. A lot of us went to bed last night knowing it was going to rain today, but we weren't expecting to have a named storm early this morning. So let me first kind of walk you through the technical side of things. What happened to lead up to Tropical Storm Emily? So first off, when we start talking about tropical systems developing, the first thing we're looking for is a closed rotation, one central low that showers and thunderstorms are circling around. At that point, we have a tropical depression. Now, winds still have not reached 39 miles per hour, but once they do, that closed low then gets a name. It becomes a tropical storm, and that wind range is anywhere from 39 to 73 miles per hour. If it continues to increase, well, then we talk about a hurricane, and then we've got to bring in a whole new classification, and that's the Saffir-Simpson Scale. So the weakest hurricanes are going to get that Category 1 classification, winds up to 95 miles per hour, up to 110. That's a Category 2 hurricane. And then when we start talking about major hurricanes, Category 3, those winds anywhere from 111 to 129 miles per hour. We continue to strengthen things. We could see a Category 4, and eventually the strongest scale of winds of 157 miles per hour or greater, and we get a Category 5 hurricane. That's the strongest classification on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Thankfully, we saw nothing like this, Bobby, but we were dealing with a whole lot of rain, and that's really what we were concerning ourselves. But kind of walk us through Emily's lifespan here a bit.
So we've been tracking this for you for a while. It's a cold front that was coming down from the north. Here we go. This is Saturday afternoon, excuse me, at 5 o'clock. There's the frontal boundary. There's some of the rain. Saturday was a good day for us. Let's forward to Sunday. Sunday, we started to see more clouds, and then we started to see a little bit more rain. Now, we expected a low pressure to form along this and move off towards the east. That was in the forecast. But tropical development, it's kind of tough to do. Winds over the top of this were blowing 40, 50 knots. That's wind shear up above us, and we were not expecting a big development out of it. That's Sunday morning at 11 o'clock. You see the rain that moved into the area during the afternoon and evening hours on Sunday. Now, this is Sunday night, 6:15, starting to organize way west of us, about 150 miles west of Tampa. And then overnight last night into Monday morning, this is 12:30 in the morning, we started to get one of those criteria that we need, a central dense overcast. You've got showers and thunderstorms there. You've got clouds over top of it. It's starting to organize. And this was about 12:15 this morning. Then at 6 o'clock this morning, the National Hurricane Center declared it a tropical depression, Tropical Depression 6. I know that symbol is not right. But then by 8 o'clock, they had winds of 39 miles per hour. In fact, they had winds at 45 miles per hour. Remember, they're using ground-based radar to be able to see that. And so they can see the motion in the storm and get the speed of those raindrops, basically, is what they're looking at. And then as it moved on shore, about 10:45 this morning, moved right over top of Anna Maria Island. That's where it made landfall. And then you can see that it moves off towards the east-northeast, and about 4:45 this afternoon, they downgraded it to Tropical Depression Emily. It'll keep the name Emily throughout its lifetime. Winds are now down to 35 miles per hour. There are no tropical storm watches or warnings for our area. There's a little bit of rain left over. We'll show you that coming up here in just a little bit. There's more rain in the forecast for tomorrow, but it will not be severe in nature. We'll have that coming up.